The complete Pinterest ads guide. So first thing, we need to create a Pinterest business profile. Pinterest business profiles enable you to unlock pro tools offered by Pinterest, including Pinterest ads and Pinterest analytics. Pinterest ads should be a key part of every online business's marketing plan. Pinterest users are usually in a mindset of getting inspired and trying new things when they come to Pinterest. With Pinterest ads, you can reach these people when they're planning and making decisions. How to create your Pinterest business profile. New to Pinterest? You can create your Pinterest business profile at business.pinterest.com and just click that sign up button. If you already have a personal Pinterest profile, you can log into your Pinterest account and click the menu in the top right corner. In this drop-down menu, select Add Profile under that Add a Free Business Profile title. Once you click that, you'll be prompted to enter your business name and website. Once complete, you'll be redirected to your Pinterest business profile page. Now notice on this profile page, the addition of analytics and ads menus in the top left corner. Another benefit of the Pinterest business profile is Business Hub. This is where you can get tools, tips, and stats that will help grow your business. So now back on our profile, click the menu in the top right corner. In that drop-down menu, select Edit Settings. So we want to completely fill out our business profile here at pinterest.com/settings. First off, photo. I like continuity for all my social media account profile images, so I'm using that same high quality 1000 by 1000 pixel white background centered Coursenvy logo. As for my display name, I like to put my brand URL to raise brand awareness for my website. Therefore, letting potential customers know, A, I have a website, and B, what is that URL? Next, username. Again, we want continuity across all social media platforms for our brand. Therefore, I want @Coursenvy for Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, every social media platform. But sometimes your name will be taken, which is fine. Just try to get something as close to your brand name or main keyword as possible. So in the beginning, for Instagram, we had the username @MarketingCourse because somebody else had Coursenvy. As our brand grew, we negotiated with that user to acquire that handle from them so we could have that continuity of @Coursenvy for every social media platform. So next, about your profile section. In this, I want to include your brand name, a URL, at least one hashtag, and then 2 to 3 of the top search keywords or keyword phrases for your brand. This about your profile section is your Pinterest profile's meta description in Google search results. So as you can see in this example, Pinterest Coursenvy, there's my display name, and then right after that, my about your profile description. So I have my URL in there. I have my main keyword, Facebook ads, in there. My brand is big enough now that I have some clout with that keyword Coursenvy. It's a trademark term, so of course I want to include that in the description. And then obviously the value proposition. We have over 100,000 students. Next, claim your website. So in that left sidebar, see claim, click that. So it's on this claim your website page where you will need to officially claim your website so it will appear on your Pinterest business profile. So you'll have 2 options for claiming your website. First, adding a meta tag to your website. And second, uploading an HTML file to your website. Adding a meta tag to your website is the easier of the two. So to add this tag to your website, you'll just need to get access to your coding. And in the head section of your website before the body section, this is typically in the index file or the header file, you will paste in this Pinterest meta tag. So as you can see in the example below, I click the editor option under appearance menu on the back end of our WordPress website, and then I click the theme header file, and I pasted in our Pinterest tag right before the closing head tag. So this is for WordPress. When in doubt, Google how to add Pinterest tag to XYZ type of website, whether that's Squarespace, Wix, Shopify, and so on. WordPress is probably one of the hardest, where you actually have to upload something into the coding. But just Google that phrase for your specific type of website. So also on this claim page, you can claim any other accounts you own, so Pinterest can attribute pins from your claimed accounts to you and provide you with analytics about each pin. Another benefit of a Pinterest business account is that you can create buttons and widgets to add to your website or apps, therefore enabling Pinterest users to promote and save your content. Now it is time to put your Pinterest business profile to work. Click the Ads tab in the top left corner or go to ads.pinterest.com. Pinterest Ads. So when you land on the ads.pinterest.com page, the default view is your ad stat page. Now in that top right corner, you can toggle the view. The view I work from is this Ads Overview option. It's in this view I can see the results from each type of Pinterest ad campaign I am running. So scroll down on your Pinterest Ads Overview page to see all the types of ad campaigns you can run. Awareness, traffic, app install, shopping, conversion, and video views. So in the top right corner, click the red plus button. In that drop-down menu, select Create Ad. So it's here on the first step of our ad creation that we select the campaign objective for this Pinterest ad. Pinterest Campaign Objectives. Pinterest offers you 6 types of ad campaign objectives to drive customers down your sales funnels. So the names vary slightly from our ads overview page to the ad creation page. So I just wanted to make a point of that. First, brand awareness, that means awareness campaigns. Video views, that is a video view campaign. Traffic campaigns, that's the same. App install campaigns, same. Catalog sales, that is a shopping campaign. Conversions, that's a conversion campaign. First, let's discuss top of funnel ads, or awareness campaigns. Customers fall into 2 categories. 10% are loyalists that will only purchase from brands they know or have purchased from in the past. The other 90% are people willing to shop around for the best deal, product, or service. Of that 90%, typically we see 30% go to newly recognizable brands, and the remaining 60% of your target market are open to purchasing from you or your brand. This is why awareness campaigns are so important. Consumers must be able to identify your brand when it comes time to purchase. So you can either claim the 30% that relate to a new brand they're aware of. Remember, people need an average of 7 touch points before purchasing from a new brand. Or you can claim the 60% that are willing to try a new brand. Thanks for checking out Coursenvy. Please take 1 second to like, subscribe, and comment anything below. These 3 things are the key to getting your videos to rank higher in YouTube search results.